guys, hope you are doing amazing. So in today's video I'm going to share a very small Amazon beauty haul with you all. As you all know that a Great Indian Festival sale is going on and you can grab a lot of amazing deals and discounts on your favorite beauty products. So if you want to buy products that you have never tried, or if you want to buy backups of the products that you love, then this is the right time to check them out. So during Great Indian Festival sale, you can grab products for up to 70% off in fashion and beauty categories. Also, I'm going to link all the products that I'm going to show you in today's video in the description box below. So do not forget to check out those links. This video is sponsored by My Haul Store. So I do not have too many products to show you. This is the box of all the products I purchased this time. So let's dive right into it. I'm going to mention the sale price and the MRP of the product. I'm going to show you on the screen because I purchased these products around somewhere around last week. So the prices might have changed. Do not forget to check the deals of the day page, the section on Amazon, because I have grabbed a few products from that page. So first of all, we have this Just Herbs handmade bathing bars set. The MRP of this trio is 925 rupees, but I grabbed it on 719 rupees, which is a really good discount. And I am a bathing bar person. I hardly shower with shower gels. I really like the good old bathing bars, and see, the trio looks so good. I've already tried the Kerala coconut bathing bar from this range, and this is beautiful, especially if you have very dry skin. This is going to work like magic. Coffee is really good for detoxifying your skin, and it works really beautifully on cellulite. Then we have Wild Rose. Wild Rose is like, will give you the most aromatic, therapeutic bathing experience. So I'm pretty excited to try these out. I'm all about soap bars. You will see more bars of soaps in my videos, in my future videos, I'm sure. Then I picked this Slick Up Anti-Flyaway Hair Wand. This is a really interesting new product. I saw it on one of the influencer stories and I really liked it. The whole idea of using a flyaway wand is just to tame the flyaways. I'll just show you. Really good if you struggle with flyaways and you want to tame your flyaways. I do not have flyaways at the moment because my hair is very oily. But if in case you have flyaways, you can just use the wand to tame the frizz. I will use it in one of my hair tutorials and we'll see together how well it works, or if it works at all. So I'm pretty excited about this. So the Slick Up Flyaway wand is priced at ₹699, the MRP, and I got it for $499. I think I got it on good discount. Next up we have Maybelline's Define and Blend Brow Pencil. I do not have a brow pencil from Maybelline, so I thought I'll pick it. I'm planning to do a one brand makeup look using all Maybelline products. So this is the only product I did not have. This and an eyeshadow palette. Rest I have everything from Maybelline. So I thought of picking this. I have picked it in the shade Grey Brown. So this is the swatch. The product is a bit dry. I am hoping that it will warm up and become much more user friendly once I apply it on my brows. So the original price of this brow pencil is $349. But I bought it for ₹296. Next we have a product from Sugar. This is Arc Arrival 3-in-1 Brow Shaper from Sugar. And I picked this in the shade Jerry Brown. So yes, like Maybelline, I'm also going to do a full face of Sugar Cosmetics. So these products I have bought keeping that in mind. And it's pretty long for a brow pencil. Okay, so it has brow powder on one end and spoolie and a pencil here. Okay, the pencil tip is pretty slim, pretty thin, and it looks like the shade will be very similar to, now this is brown. See, this is the color. It is pretty brown. It is a bit too brown for my liking, but I am hoping that it will look good on my brows. I will also use the brow powder with it. I'm sure it's going to work. It has to. So this brow pencil is priced at rupees, like the MRP of this is $599, but I got it for $539. The next product I have is the Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer from Sugar. I picked shade number 40 Breve or Breve, I don't know. This is the color. It will work well as a nice highlighting concealer. It is pretty yellow, which is good, and we'll try it together and see how well it performs. MRP of the Sugar Concealer is $7.99 and I got it for $7.19 after discount. I've also picked a nail lacquer from Color Bar. This is in the shade Rose Family. It looks very pretty. It's like a purplish pink. It's not exactly a rose color, but it is very pretty. So the MRP of this nail paint is $199 and I got it for $139, which was a really good discount. I personally really like Color Bar's nail paints. They last a long time and the shade range is beautiful. They have lot of beautiful shades. And the last but not the least, there is a skincare item which is from Laneige. This is Laneige Cream Skin Toner and Moisturizer. I was looking for a good quality toner. Since the weather is turning a bit cold, I really wanted a toner that can, you know, add some extra layer of hydration on this hand. So this is like a milky lotion. So you are supposed to apply and tap it. This doesn't smell like anything and it is supposed to hydrate your skin. So this will add an additional layer of hydration. After cleansing my face, I would love to apply a little bit of this. So the MRP of Laneige Cream Skin Refiner is $750, but I got it for rupees 712. So yeah, with this we have finished the haul, today's haul. So yeah, I'm going to link all the products in the description box below. Do not forget to check them out. Also, do not forget to check the Great Indian Festival sale on Amazon because you are going to get some amazing deals and discounts. Also, you can avail discounts by HDFC Bank while doing your shopping. Yeah? That was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.